Omukikwekweto eki polisi ya Kibale kakwata George Nsereko omushobozi w'omwani okorwa mu district ya Masindi kandi obire nakorera mu trading center ya Kitutu banyuma yo kumushanga ine shahu 10 z'omwani ogutezire kandi eziri kubarwa miliyoni 40. Wycliffe Katurinde, Regional Coffee Extension Officer, ahabwe cyanga cya Bunyoro ayorekera kushemerwa bayima ya koto korenchwa myayo kandi yagira ngo iki nikija gukora nk'ecyo kureberaho ahabahinja abandi abari kushubura no kuguza omwana mu bisi.
Omwana munongo rero muramuzakiwiremu omwana gutwa kwasire no muntu nguri mu bisi yachwa mutu guokie kote ekiwiremu tude bira around saha 5 kichweka yagamba omwana gunu tugwina gusisa no aragire tuguokie. It's not UCDA, tell district, tell police. Kotini yaragire ngwa mwana guno ningo gwabayire mubi kandi tugusanire genda mu value chain yo mwana therefore yaragira tuguokie.
Is going to serve some days in court, in prison, and the court also has decided that we should ban the coffee. Why? This coffee was harvested immature.
Angelia Kasigwa omujwekero wa president of district ya Kibale ahireyo kurabura ahabahinji bona na mnonga bari kuhinga no kushubura omwani okwetantara okushoroma omwani mu bisi.
It was even mixed with other material. All that was inconsistent with section 53 and the subsection E and C of the National Coffee Act.
George Nsereko okwasirwe n'omwani asindikirwa rumanda amushango gwo kuguza omwani ogutahikire gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.